Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Talking about Brian Sell today. I'm excited with this company, right? We had a new news came out about the conference call. I'm gonna talk a little bit on the later on the side of the video what is all meant about it. Gonna talk about the key levels we discussed on our video, that our resistance that we needed to keep an eye at 568. We opened up today at $5.11. We went high of $6.39, came down all the way. The resistance we've been talking about so closely was $6.86. Now is acting as a support. And we touched once times, came back twice, tested it, and we rallied a little bit off. And during the recording of the video, we have about 20 minutes left. We're seeing a pretty significant, a little bit of sell-off right now from $6.09 all the way to 583, right? So during the day, the 60-day moving average was acting a huge support and the WAP line, and now currently we are breaking it down at $5.78, right? So quite shallow, just started right now in the time of the recording of the video, but nothing to worry about. I'm not worried about it. We're creating higher highs right now. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back and retested around $6 later today or maybe after hours. So what drove it today, right? And the key technical and the pattern that I just looked at it, and I'm going to share later in the video. So we know that the article that came out today was the Brian to host a corporate clinical and conference call on Wednesday, 16/21 at 4:30 p.m., right? The Brian Sell the Brian Sell company is in a critical stage of biotechnology, specializing in target immunization, advanced breast cancer announcement that the CEO of Dr. Williams to host on the clinical on Wednesday. So we're going to see a lot of update on that. Folks, this is going to drive a price pretty high on that, right? And we're going to talk about the key levels, key resistance, the pattern that I've seen, what's going to cause driving that, right? So don't forget these dates that we need to keep an eye at June 16 at 4 p.m. Later today. And we all know about this article that came out about on Monday, announced the closing of $223 million of private placement, right? So develop strategy to have more research built on this, right? So this is pretty good for the company, right? This is came out news on Monday. The article is going to be on the link below. So let's talk about it, right? We just time of the video, we're seeing a huge sell off to $5.80. Nothing to worry about. Not panic. Don't even think about panicking right now. This is all normal. People has been gaining momentum throughout the day. This is the day traders are closing and locking their profits to bringing the pressure down right now, right? Like I said, we still have about 15 minutes left to market to close. It will rally a little bit up high to close to $6. So let's talk. Let's discuss our 6-month chart that I'm looking at it at a 4-hour time frame, right? So we've been right here at $3, and then we talked about our key levels in the previous video that we need to watch our resistance at $5.81, and then we talked about it around here. I don't know what happened to my graph, but we talked about it. The key level was here at $5.08, right? So and that was acting as our support level, right? So now this one I'm gonna mark it as we broke out our resistance one time. We failed through that, right? We closed at $6.39. I said keep an eye at $6.17, roughly around there, and we didn't even hold. We came back down all the way. Now we're retesting it over our resistance. I'm gonna make it as our resistance on top. Right now it's still acting as a support right now, so we are trading in between that. So I want you guys to look at this pattern really carefully, because the pattern I'm going to talk about is called a cup and handle, right? And a cup and handle, when you have a massive sell off, you will have this sell off, and in trading in between, like right up here, right up here, we've been trading in between this pattern right here, and that's what we'll be doing right here, folks. That's what we're doing right here before we rally up to test the level of up to $7, right, and expect a pullback and then rally back again to close to $16 to $20 range. That's my ultimate target. That's what I'm looking at it to be by end of this year. That's what I'm expecting it the rally on the stock. So what key levels we're going to look at it, but I really wanted to focus this pattern with it because the cup and handle, when you have this massive sell-off from here to here, right, you guys can see from here to here, that's what we had, folks. That's what we had. And then we've been trading up high, testing from $6 level to $5.50, and then we were just trading sideways pretty much, and that's what we have been doing it. And now we are slowly breaking out right up here. We are on this right here. We are in the beginning stage of a reversal of cup and handle right here. This is where we are right now. This is the area we are right now. That's we're gonna be testing at about close to about $7, and then we're gonna have a small pullback, right? And then we're gonna rally back again, right? So it can even go all the way up to about $8, and before we have a pullback on that, right? So to have a complete reversal on the cup and handle. So that's, folks, that's what I was looking at it. Please do not forget to subscribe, smack the like button. It helps the channel a lot. But also, I want to talk about MACD. Folks, look at the MACD right now, right? It's dying down, right? We still had a huge sell-off, but now the bars are getting smaller. RSI looks good. Now we are definitely turning to an uptrend pattern with the news that came out about the June 16 conference call for the critical stages of breast cancer. So that's something that we need to watch throughout the week, leading to next week till Wednesday, right? Because I'm gonna see a lot of uptrend movement coming up today. We're still up by 12.7%, and the previous close was $5.15. So nothing to worry. Do not panic. This is a healthy pullback because people what they did throughout the day. We can see came already up, block profit, and where the buyers were pushing it higher, creating higher highs, and then we had a little sell-off. Right now, at the time of the video, we have 10 minutes left for the market to close, and we have $5.81 right now. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not too worried about it. What our key levels moving forward for the coming for next two trading days and moving to next week is we need to keep an eye on these two important key levels. We break out, is acted as a support. We break out at 617 and held off. Then it will be the next $7 and then $7.69. So these are the key levels that I'm personally watching because our moving averages looks beautiful. This is an uptrend right now if you look at it from this angle. So if I squeeze in, right, folks, if I squeeze in right up here, right, and then we're gonna right here. So we're looking at this pattern right now to channel in between to explore out, right? So that that's why I get rejected, and that's why I'm saying it's gonna form a cup and handle, and that's why we need to have it's gonna have a breakout moment where we're gonna be testing these key levels, right? So folks, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I know it was a pretty up and down day today. Very not the day we're looking when we saw a bit high in that, but end of the day we're still closing on the green level, which I'm excited about it. The great news came out today. Just have patience. This thing is gonna play out as I'm expecting it. I've been training for 9 years, and when I see a pattern, I jump into it. I believe in this company, has a lot of potential on it. And yeah, folks, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Thank you.